this method that you've created, and tapping into our inherent nature, our inherent healing ability through our breath, through that mechanism, taking the harnesses of the mind and then connecting with nature through the cold water, through each other. It's coming back to nature. It's coming back to connection. It's, I love when you say there's no ego, which is the problem of the world right now, right? We're breaking down. We are self-centered. We are separate. We are shitting on the earth. We're shitting on each other. And so this is all, when you practice this ultimate act of self-love by breathing and resetting your body every day, and tapping into this innate health and vitality that we have, then you show up in the world in such a different way that you just naturally connect with compassion with other people and the earth.